Julie Risted,
Leanne Calhoun,
Patsy Duplessis, Cindy Coleman,
Jeannie Oakland. Hello, my name Not everybody that donates, the receivers can accept. There are some of them that can accept all, and some that only have a few select. Over here, on this one, we'll show you, this is the percentage of U.S. population of people that have particular blood types. The most common is O positive with 38% of the U.S. population. The most rarest is AB negative with 1% of the U.S. population. And it varies in between. There are many reasons why we all need to get blood. Why we all should at least attempt once to get blood. According to an article, Increased Blood Availability, they did a study that showed 49% of first-time donors do not come back within 6 years. So basically, people will go in and try to get blood, but they don't ever return. Doesn't seem like a big deal. But according to an article, Give to Live, the American Red Cross states that every 2 seconds there is someone in need of blood. Another article, Blood Donor Motivation, says that people may not understand that blood has a limited shelf life. It does not last forever. It has to be replenished. So, unfortunately, only 3 to 4% of the U.S. population many people need it, and not very many people are willing to donate. Some of this can be due to misinformation and myths. Some people feel as if they've already donated blood. Some people feel they have a fear of needles, that it hurts. Some are feeling that they're too old to donate and they're too young. Some are afraid that they're going to get infected. That means that people will get AIDS from donating blood. That some people are also blood-based asking embarrassing questions. Some people feel as if they will be weak after getting blood, which you are, but you will recuperate. Some people feel that the time it takes to get blood is too long, or that they're just too busy and they don't have the time to do it. Then others feel as if they have a rare blood type and they would rather wait for a special occasion, because you never know when that occasion is going to rise, if you're going to have time to do it. Others feel as if they have a very common blood type and that everybody else can give and they don't need to. So the reason why that we should all give blood, according to an article, Education and Donation, they did a study with 3 different brochures. One that had lots of information about how to donate, the process of donations, what do they do with your blood. Then they did another brochure that had just information about the company of a blood bank. And last, a third brochure that just talked about healthy eating. The people that read the first brochure that talked about specifics, they were more willing to commit to actually getting blood. So, today with technology, we have Facebook, we have Twitter. You can share with other people your experience if you have donated blood. You can also sit there and invite a friend. Take a friend that goes with you. Let them know if you're afraid, share your experience. They can see from the time of start with it has a registration. Then after you register, then you do a little small screening. They take your blood pressure, they take your iron level, ask you a few questions. Then you hydrate, drink some water. You definitely don't want to be dehydrated. You might faint. After donation, then comes after the donation process, and there's a post-donation. Most places when you donate blood will give you some juice, orange juice, any other kind of a liquid, and also a little snack. This will tell you that registration takes about 5 minutes. Your interview is about 10 minutes, where they ask you some questions about your history and that. Your medical checkup, where they take your blood pressure and your iron level, takes about 5 minutes. The actual donation process is about 10 to 15 minutes. That is where they actually take the blood out. It is not that long. Then refreshments after you get done. Sit there, they ask you to stay for 2 minutes, make sure you're feeling okay, suitable to drive, and resume regular activities. And then if you choose, you can schedule your next donation appointment. It takes about 45 minutes to an hour to do this. So, what we've learned is that a fact is that 1 pint of blood that you donate can save up to 3 people's lives. Every person has 10 pints of blood in their system. 1 pint is not that big. I myself would love to give blood, but I have an issue and I tried. I've only been able to give it once. So anything you can do to help would be great. Hopefully with the information that you require now, that you want to actually try if you have not given blood. And if not, or if you have, you might be able to help a friend. So that way they can experience it. Okay, I'm going to turn it around.
Julie Risting.
Oh, you don't have to say your name, just to wave to show you're still alive. I'm going to leave it this way. Is I ask a question. Anybody wants to answer it, you can. Is there any other suggestive idea that anyone has that could help encourage people to give blood? Anybody? Nobody?
I'm sure we'll think of one tonight.
If you have personal experience receiving blood.
Yeah, that would be a very good one, yeah. Anything else? No? Okay. Well, I thank you guys all very much. Let's see if I can stop this upside down.